In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change billing address on Amazon. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website amazon.com. Provide your credentials and log into your account. In order to change your billing address, you'll need to use the web version. Within app, you won't find the option to change the billing address. Once logged in, click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now here you're going to find different section. Click on the option See All. With that, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find different section. Scroll down. Under Payments, you're going to find the option Your Payments. Click on that. Now navigate to the option Add a Payment Method, or click on the payment method that you have added. Now below your payment method, you're going to find the billing address. You can remove your old billing address, enter your new billing information and save your changes, and that's it. That's how you can change your billing address on Amazon. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.